Here's how to sell clothes in Roblox Mobile. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone or Android, works the exact same, and tap on the More button at the very bottom right. After you've done that, all you need to do is scroll down until we get to the Create option. Tap on that, and then tap on the top left where you see those three lines next to Home. After you've done that, let's go over to Creations. You'll be able to see all of your experiences and current creations. Let's create some clothing to be able to sell. All we need to do at the very top is swipe over until we get to Avatar Items. And then on here, I would recommend starting off with Classics. So tap on that. And then for filters, let's choose Classic T-shirts. Now let's create that classic T-shirt by tapping on Upload Asset. And then I'll tap on Upload. This is where you'll be able to upload a photo from the gallery on your phone or computer. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to upload something here. And let's say I wanted to use this Christmas tree as my example. After I've done that, I'm going to name this something. So you need to name it. I'm going to name it Christmas. And then I can put in a description. I don't necessarily need to. And then hit Upload. However, after you've done that, it's not fully for sale yet. You'll be able to see if you scroll down, there is that Christmas shirt, but it says off sale. So I need to tap on it here to open it up and turn on sale. And then I need to set a price. The minimum is 2 Robux, but in this case, I'm going to use 50 Robux. You can see creator earnings is just 70% of that. So you won't get all of it. Roblox will take 30%. After you're good to go, all you need to do is hit publish item. Keep in mind, it does cost 10 Robux to be able to publish that for other people to be able to buy it.